What is brochure? What happened when we go, or before going to any place, we try to collect the information of that place. Is it clear? Like when you go to school, if you want to take admission in a school, what you wanted to know about the school, how you will come to know about the school infrastructure, the school facilities, the fee structure and all, there is a prospectus. Is it clear? Prospectus are there where you will find even the picture. First page of the prospectus will be having a school building with school name. Clear? And when you are going to open it, it might be in the form of booklet or leaflet, or it might be folded in a three fold. Means one fold, two fold, three fold, like this. One fold, can you see? And then two fold. Clear? It will be like this. Brochure type. Prospectus. Right now I'm talking about prospectus of the school or a college. The school name will be here. The building of the school will be here. The address and everything of the school will be here. This is the first. It should be very attractive. Then only the people will be attracted and they will be more eager to know the inside of the prospectus. Is it clear? Then it is like a booklet. You open it. Here will be about the school history. Clear? The location of the school, the infrastructure of the school. This whole page will contain the essential feature of the school. Everything. Is it clear? The classes it is running, the facilities it is giving, the faculties it is having, when the school was set up, where the school is set up. Clear? They might give about their board result also. The unique things which will attract the parents and will make the parents to enroll their child in the school. Everything will be given over here and high thing will be written about the school. School के अच्छी अच्छी बातें लिखी जाएगी. So the parents should be curious to know, and they should be eager to admit their child in the school. And at the last, they might give you the school map, where the school is located, how to reach the school, and when to contact and email, everything is given. So now it could be in a one page like this. It might be folded in a 3, 1, 2, 3. It might be 6 page. It might be 10 page. That depends how you are going to. They might be using different colors, different pictures, font to attract the person. Generally, what happened when we go through the school prospectus, first we go by school building, then we go by the school history. Is it clear? Then we go by the school's infrastructure, that what facilities the school is providing. Clear? Student teacher ratio we see. Then when we are satisfied with all this, we see the fee structure. If the fee structure suits us, then we see the facilities the school is providing. Is it clear? And now when you are satisfied and you want a child to be enrolled in the school, you see the direction or the place where the school is being located. So sometimes they give you the map also. And every detail is given, that telephone number, website, mail. So the parents should know more about the school. If they wanted to know more about the school, then they could contact those resources. Now that is called prospectus. When you go to hotel or when a new restaurant is been launching, and a new restaurant has been launching, they are opening a new restaurant, new shop, garment shop, anything. They take out the pamphlet. Pamphlet is having only one page. Is it clear? One side Hindi, one side English. Or if it is they are opening in their region, suppose they are opening in South India, in Kerala, so one side will be English, one side will be Malayali, that is the local language. It, the language which is used over there, the people who speak the language in Kerala. Now they are what they are going to do. They will use a good colored background. Clear? They will make the important things. They will highlight. Suppose you are opening a restaurant. Is it clear? So the main thing which you are going to highlight, one will be the name of the restaurant. Second, the features you are going to mark it in a boxes and all, because people, they don't have a time to go through everything. Is it clear? So what they will do, they will in the box, they will make a box fully AC. They will make a box provision for birthday party or a conference. Then they will make a box discount, 50% discount, 24% discount on an order of 500 rupees, on an order of 1000 rupees. These are the main things which they highlight. Is it clear? You must have seen even the dishes, foods are pictures are they pasted on that pamphlet, and below it there will be their address. Is it clear? Address will be there and other things will be there, but main features they are going to highlight, and they are going to broaden it, or so that the people should be attracted towards the facilities which they are providing. Clear? And the menu will also be there. What are the food things which they are going to supply? Means whatever the Chinese foods are there, whether the Italian is there, Thai is there, Indian is there, everything they will write it with the list, price list also. Then they will write combo pack also. What they are combo pack they are getting. So this is called brochure. If it is single, we call it pamphlet. Yeah, leaflet. Pamphlet matlab handover bill. You give it in the hand. When you open the newspaper, you find many pamphlets like diagnostic care, full body cover checkup, opening of restaurant, opening of coaching institute. You are going to find hundreds of pamphlets inside your newspaper. Clear? Sometime when you go to the market, you will find that people are giving you what? A pamphlet, a card. That is called handbill. That is called handbill. When you go in the market, the people, they hand you over the pamphlet. Is it clear? About the shop, about anything. That is called handout. Handbill. Why handbill? Because they are handing you over. Clear? Then leaflet is there. Leaflet might be single or it will be folded. And then a brochure is there. If you are going to any tourist place, if you are visiting any tourist place, if you wanted to book the hotel before going to that place, what you do? You ask the hotel to give their brochure, so that when in the brochure they are going to maintain about their features of the hotels, about the availability of room, what kind of a room, about the room services. Is it clear? AC, non-AC, deluxe, super deluxe, yeah, normal. They will give you the, it is written, the charges are written, even the transportation, whether they provide, everything is written in the brochure. And they also give you the map of their hotel. That will be easy for you to reach from the airport or the station or bus stand to reach the hotel. So before going or before booking the hotel, what you do, you ask for the brochure. And when you go through the brochure, is it clear? When you go through the brochure, if it suits you, then you book the hotel. So the people who are in the business of any kind of business, and just to increase their business and all, they take out the brochure. And the brochure should be very beautiful so that it should attract the people. And people go by the things which are written in the brochure, though they might, in reality, it might be different. What you have expected, it might not have turned up to your expectation. But you have gone because you have gone through the help of brochure. So people will always write high about the brochure. Is it clear? What happened when you go to a shop? You have seen a window shopping. The beautiful sari, the beautiful dress, they will make the mannequin to wear it. Clear? They will make the mannequin to wear it. And what you do, when you go through that, pass through the shop, when you see that mannequin, that statue wearing that clothes, with beautiful clothes they are wearing it, you will feel that the shop is having a beautiful stock of things, a very good stock of things they might be having. But when you go inside it, you feel very low. You feel dejected. Why? What is the reason behind it when you feel dejected? Because your impression that this shop might have a good collection of clothes turn out against your impression. But what has attracted you? the dresses which are being worn by the mannequin. Is it clear? Same, let's come to brochure making. Now, number one, while making a brochure, what you're going to keep in mind? Create a compelling headline for your hotel brochure. Means you are going to give such a headline first page for compelling, means which will make the customer to go through. Use color that are quick to draw attention and that are easy to read it. Use a simple bold font and use the headline to sell the experience, like 25-year experience catering a big distinguished people. If you visit a Taj hotel, is it clear? If they take out their brochure, the first page will be a Taj hotel. Clear? Serving the people national and internationally for 50 years. Is it clear? This is the way. They write it down. They use the colors, font, and there should be no more text. Maximum texts are not there. Let the picture speak. If you put more and more text in it, ज़्यादा word डालोगे, it will become very congested and people are not going to read it or they are going to go through it. So the text content will be very, very less, minimized, and the picture should be there. Suppose in a hotel, if some distinguished guest has visited, so they will put the picture of that guest. When you go to restaurants, when you go to salon, sometime you will see that the barber or the restaurant hotel owner or the restaurant owner, they had the picture hung on the wall, put it on the wall with a famous personality. Why? This is the way of drawing the customer that see the famous celebrity has eaten in the restaurant, or they had dined in their restaurant, or they had visited their shop. So you will find their picture over there, the celebrity's picture who had visited. So that could be used in a brochure. This will attract the customer. The color should be used very brightly. The font should be used different font. Is it clear? But the text should be minimum. Next come, maximize the use of color and photograph. I told you, photograph should be more. Let the photograph speak, not your text. Is it clear? And the color should be there. The bright color, the background color should be there, which will attract it. Often times you only have a second to catch attention of traveler or meeting planner. So you will want to make your rag brochure aesthetically pleasing to start off with by using pop of eye-catching color. In such a color, if you have seen neon color mat use karo because it what? Irritate the eyes. It hurt the eyes. So you are going to use that color which will draw the attraction of a person. While what happened? Mural you have seen, while we pass through the under the Minto Bridge and all, you will find on the wall the pictures are there. Underpass, if you pass through this Mayur Vihar phase 2, is it clear? If you pass through Mayur Vihar phase 2, underpass, you will find it beautiful pictures which is being painted on the wall, and the picture is talking. Is it clear? The picture is talking because they have used a bright color over there. Is it clear? The top portion of the card needs to include either your logo, yes, like school logo is there, every hotel is having a logo, every establishment is having a logo, so you have to use your logo. And the most dramatic image of your property, that is the picture of your shop, building, restaurant should be there along with the logo. Minimize use of cheesy stock photography wherever possible. Cheesy means don't show very high-fi because people, they don't like it. You have to use those photographs which might attract the people attention.